You are waiting that to trade, that to have your scalp inside this range on the Bitcoin top. Currently, we are ranging from the high of 29,400 and at the low 27,200. So when I'm placing my volume profile from 27,200 to this 28,700 that are currently limiting by extension low, extension high, this price action, then I get my value area at 28,200, my value area low at 27,800, and my POG at 28,000. With combining the moving average, I'm able to see that I have this current resistance and that I'm sitting here on this value area high at the above 28,200. So the first is that if I have to entry my trades, I would like that to see real confirmation if I have strong rejection into this 28,300 or at this value area high 28,200. If I have confirmation of my rejection, then I have my scalp go to the 28,000 once again. And if more continuation aggressivity from sellers and short position, then we swing to the 27,800. Okay, so that is what we are currently and simply looking at. But as long as we hold above this high, and if we did find strength enough that to break above this 28,300, then we have higher probability to retest the height of the range and previously this 28,700, okay, this area of resistance that we are able to see here. So as a scalp, would like that we have take profit 1, looking at the confirmation of the continuation, yes or no, take profit 2, take profit 3, and then looking if have continuation or then simply rejection. Okay, so that's the important level that to looking at it, same as this downside that could have potentially have a week and eventually breaking to the downside. Okay, so now when we are looking at a little bit more confluence, and that we while that to understand what is happening. Okay, we can see currently that we have from this 27,000 and this 28,500, 600, that we have this range at the top. That this range at the top are limited into side. Okay, the above and the downside. Okay, a local top acting as a resistance supply and a local bottom acting as a demand and support. Very, very simply that everyone can understand this. Okay, so if you're waiting the trade just easy and simply waiting for level that to give you confirmation on your futures trend. Okay, when you are looking at this extension high and extension low, 26,500, 29,380, then you are able that to see you have into this positive feeds, but also if you are looking at the opposite, the negative feeds, you are able that to see that you have a golden pocket, okay, and that you have also an accumulation. And once again, at the opposite side at the top, you have the golden pocket, but also you have this accumulation. As a strong side and validation of one is just simply retesting and we'll have a breakout to the outside, or then simply losing our momentum, and then we'll have exhaustion from buyers and complete of the long position, okay, by sellers and short that will have stronger behavior than buyers, okay. Simply when a price doesn't go higher, it's been only because you doesn't have enough trends coming from buyers and sellers. That means price is just going lower that to attract them. As the opposite, if seller and short position aren't able to break shorts this extension below, then it simply means that buyers are stronger, have much more behaviors that to buy at this level that to sell higher. Okay, that's very, very, very simply that to understand all of this. Now, if you want a little bit more confirmation, confluence, and looking at what is happening into your candle, then you will simply check the order flow. By order flow, I'm talking, of course, about the Exochart. What is the Exochart? The Exochart are simply this, okay? Using Exochart on the desktop pro version, I'm able to have a market profile that to see into each candle, my delta volume, looking at my open interest on perpetual futures, aggregated stable coins and aggregated coins, and that to have confluence with my volume. If my volume is making a swing bullish or bearish and I have a momentum, as an example, if you are looking at these trends that we swing from this low to this high, then simply when you are looking at this volume, we have a spike, an increase, a second bar is increasing, and still doesn't have continuation as the volume reverted and then made lower swing. Okay, mean that we have breakthroughs, momentum, and price aren't able to sustain a strong behavior from the long position when we are looking on this perpetual chart. Okay, when I'm looking at this candle, I have on my bid profile and my imbalance, okay? And I'm able to see on each candle the buyers on the left side, on the right side, and on the left side, I'm able to see the sellers. But because we are on perpetual futures chart, we are talking about long position at the right side and short position at the left side. Then we can see also that we have on each candle, we have your bid and ask. Okay, we have also your poke from each candle, but not only we have imbalance. We have the value area height of each candle. If you are looking at it, okay, we have value area height here, then value area height here. Okay, and simply looking at all of this stuff, we have much more confluence that to looking at every single thing. Did we have market and a trends consolidation? And how did we have, as an example here, a strong absorption, okay? As buyer we shared that to send the price but did get exhausted and aren't been able to break shorts higher. Then price simply back lower from this value area height of this candle and simply started to lose a momentum. Okay, looking at also this VWAP that are currently maintaining your trading price, your price action, okay, above the value area high that if you did remembers on your trading view chart from here, then you have all of your confluence, okay? As simply that right now in a technical analysis, if you are looking at this stuff, then you has been able to see this triangle that make shorts to this upside. Okay, bam, up, redempting. We are holding and then making a return here, up, and taking all of this high, or are we simply back retesting, as I say, the poke and then this 50% of this top of the range, okay? Inside this parallel channel that at the above of it, we have an extension high, and that at the below of it have the extension of the low, okay? So simply what we are looking at, and that we can have much more confluence that to entry your trades. As long as we will hold the exchangements of VWAP and weekly VWAP, then we have a chance from that to see reaction of buyers if they are interested and if they have enough strength and long position that to push, okay, breaking short this volume, fighting that to have the attempt going higher with eventually a swing that will decrease but still increasing. Why? Because we will have sellers in a momentum that can stop and short position that can also exiting and do not entering, but we want that to have all of the confirmation from a volume from your delta, okay? And looking at the CVD, we want that to have a complete change. And then if you are just zooming out, you want that all of the colors, okay, are turning completely more strong candle after candle, okay? Showing that you are in a complete and real momentum, okay, with a buyers and long position, and not only just one of the side. So simply keep yourself and be ready to trade the momentum, because the momentum is an entry. An entry is a trade. A trade need to be strategic, need to be acknowledged, and need to be relaxing. You do not entry trade in any level. You are waiting to enter your trades at the right moment, at the right level, and because of the confirmation from an invalidation or validation of your technical analysis and from the limit orders that you are able to see from normal books like some sites that offering this view, trading light, Okotoki, and etc. etc. This has been the brief say and order to show this to you. See you all later.